Hey guys, Troy from National Transmission here. So you're hopping in the truck, hooking up the trailer, and heading to the mountains for the weekend. You ever thought, how can I protect my transmission? There's a couple things you can do. First thing we always stress is watch that temperature gauge. So on most vehicles, you can go into your dash and you can start playing around and you could look for where your transmission temperature is. Typically it's under like vehicle information. Mine just happens to be right there. You'll have your oil temperature, oil pressure, oil life, battery voltage, all your temperatures on your gauge summary. So it gives you a good idea. You could leave it at this, right? You could watch your engine coolant temperature as well as your transmission temperature, your engine oil temperature. It's always a great thing to have when you're towing. Fluid breaks down at about 220 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Personally, when I'm towing, if I see my transmission temperature reach 212 or 100 degrees Celsius, I'll pull over, I'll put it in neutral, and I'll let it cool back down. So most trucks also have what's called a tow haul mode. When it's put in that mode, it's basically going to have the engine and the transmission strategies change, which is going to make the shifts longer, torque converter lock up sooner. It's going to also, on some vehicles, not all, it will actually cause it to downshift and help engine brake your trailer as you're slowing down. And it'll also keep it more in the power band of the transmission, which will make it easier for towing. It'll stop shifts from going up and down constantly, cycling, shifting, or your torque converter clutch locking in and locking out. The other thing it does is actually try and lock up that torque converter early and keep it locked up. When a torque converter is locked up, it produces way less heat, which in return will help save the transmission. But the most important tip is take your time. Don't rush things. For safety and for your vehicle's sake. That cold beer can wait an extra 5 or 10 minutes, but if your transmission decides it can't, you'll be in big trouble. If you like this kind of content, give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to us, and we'll catch you on the next video.